A judge heard arguments today in the lawsuit against a Lexington women's clinic.
The state filed the suit against EMW Women's Clinic on Burt Road earlier this month, saying it performed unlicensed abortions. During a hearing, lawyers said the case shouldn't be in a courtroom at all. Victor Puente has the story.
The attorney for EMW Women's Clinic has called this a manufactured lawsuit. Today's state attorneys said it's about ensuring women's safety. Today's hearing was in response to a lawsuit filed by Governor Matt Bevin's administration on March 3rd. That suit claims the facility exists only to perform abortions, so they need an abortion license from the state of Kentucky. Today, the owner of the clinic, Dr. Ernest Marshall, told the court they also perform other gynecological services, although they aren't that common. He said they didn't need a license because they're a private doctor's office that only does non-complicated procedures. Inspectors who went to the clinic testified and said the case started because of an anonymous complaint that the clinic was only performing abortions. Dr. Marshall said the clinic performed abortions up to 12 weeks into a pregnancy. After that, women would be referred to their Louisville facility. The clinic's attorney advised them to hold off on performing any abortions until the case is resolved. Judge Ernesto Scorsoni told both attorneys he wouldn't make that ruling today.
The proof in the case was woefully lacking. Dr. Marshall testified that he, in fact, retired as a practicing physician in a private practice in 2011, and that this facility only does abortions and abortion-related facilities.
If Judge Scorsoni denies the motion for a temporary injunction, then I think they're safe to see patients on Friday. If he sustains the Commonwealth's motion, then it's essentially shut down and we'll just deal with it at the permanent injunction state.
Scott White said the main reason he advised the clinic not to perform any more abortions until they get that ruling is because the penalty for that could be up to $10,000 per procedure if the ruling goes against them. In Lexington, Victor Puente, Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
The Bevin administration has also filed suit against Planned Parenthood in Louisville for performing what it says are unlicensed abortions.